Google just dropped a massive upgrade to its video AI called Gemini Omni, and they're calling it the Nano Banana for video. Why? Because you can literally edit your clips just by talking to it. But the coolest feature? You can now create a photorealistic AI avatar of yourself, type a prompt, and have your digital clone star in any video you can imagine. Today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how to set up your personal avatar step by step, and how to start generating videos. Before we build your clone, here is the basic breakdown. Gemini Omni isn't just a text-to-video tool, it's a world model. It understands real-world physics, gravity, and lighting. You can upload a video, type turn the background into a sci-fi museum, and it will alter the environment while keeping your movements perfectly intact. Because it supports multi-turn editing, you can keep chatting with Gemini to tweak the camera angles or add objects scene by scene.
Ready to build your avatar? Right now, you'll need a Google AI subscription like AI Plus or Pro, and you must be over 18. Grab your phone and let's do this in 3 quick steps. Now for the fun part, generating the video. Open your Gemini. In the prompt field, click on the plus symbol and look for more, and then choose avatar. For the first time, you have to use your phone camera and record the video of yourself in a well-lit and silent room. The system will ask you to read some numbers or texts louder. Also, it will ask you to turn your head left and right. Once it confirms that it is you trying to create an avatar of yourself, the final avatar will be ready in few minutes. To use avatar, head into a new chat in Gemini or Google Flow. Tap Tools, then Create Video. To bring your clone into the scene, all you have to do is type or followed by your Google username. Let's look at a couple of prompt examples you can copy right now. Prompt example 1. Make the avatar to say, please subscribe, like and comment the video. Also share it with your friends and groups. Hit submit, give it a few minutes to render, and boom. Omni generates a video using your exact likeness and voice reference, moving naturally within the physics of the environment you built. Keep your editing prompts specific for the best results. If you're too vague, Omni might over-edit your avatar's face. Are you going to use this for content creation or just to make funny videos for your friends? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. See you in another informative video soon.